In fact, you should actually hear Karen's story. This is amazing. So this is Karen Taylor. After 20 years as an acupuncturist, she suffered the tragic loss of her mom, and she wanted to do something completely different with her life. She thought about starting a business with her husband, or maybe creating some dance program, or raising money for Flynn, or becoming an Oregon tour guide. But after she did start the right business, she had an idea about developing a recurring revenue delivery box business selling congee, which is a traditional Chinese breakfast dish famous for its digestive benefits, both in honor of the illness that took her mom's life and all the skills she gained from 20 years practicing Chinese medicine. And in just weeks, Karen had 20 prototype boxes ready for her tester. She says it feels amazing. So she actually developed a business in the 8 weeks of B-School. It was incredible. I've never seen anything like it, but that shows what's possible when you stay focused and do the work.